As it worked out, we were looking for a place to test out our system when we first created it, and we sent the very first samples out to California to be part of the solar decathlon. The University of California was building a solar decathlon house, and the students wanted to have a vertical garden wrapped around the inside of the railing on their patio. It was kind of prophetic because it ended up that the very first wall, vertical wall that we built was with garden plants, leafy greens and herbs. And we'd really designed the system for use inside of buildings with tropical plants for vertical living walls in the atriums of buildings and such. So the first place we trial it is with edible plants, and then we just went on marketing for the interior market. And then later on, we came back to California and we found that the same organic farm that had propagated all the edible plants for us for that trial at University of California, they said, hey, look, your system really works well growing plants vertically in no space. So, you really need to improve the system and have features for this and that. And I said, hey, hold on. We designed it for tropical plants inside of a building. We didn't design it for gardening. And the guy looked at me stunned and he said, why would you waste labor and sunlight and water and money to grow plants that you can't eat? When the world needs nutritious food, they need to know where their food came from. Everybody needs to grow food in small spaces close at hand. Why would you do that? And so I was sort of stunned, and I've been thinking about it ever since. And so we finally came around to accessorize and sort of retool the system in order to be much more friendly and accessible for vertical gardening at the farming level, at the personal level, on balconies, patios, inside the kitchen, inside the house. So we've really gone to work on how you bring vertical gardening into your space to know exactly what was sprayed on the food you're eating, how it was grown, what it was grown in, to make sure that you get the most nutritious, clean, healthy, local food that you can get. So now that we told you our Varden story, you need to buy one of the Varden kits off our website here, assemble it, and get going with your own vertical garden, and then send us pictures and information about how you garden.